Today we are back to Japan in Hiroshima region. This is one of my favorite places to visit, not only because I live there, but also there are plenty area of interest. And in the rest of today's video, we're gonna see what we can find. The journey begins deep in the forest, surrounded by towering trees that seem to stretch endlessly toward the sky. As I started my hike, I thought it would be the perfect chance to fly my drone and capture the landscape from a different perspective. That said, I felt a bit uncertain at first, not because the trail was narrow, but because it wasn't entirely sure how the drone would handle the dense surroundings. Still, all was fine, and my drone didn't crash. Moving forward, I continued along the well-maintained trail, which was in surprisingly good condition. That's not always the case in Japan, where extreme weather with typhoon, heavy rain, and earthquake can often reshape landscape, leaving trail damage or washed out. Except for very touristic areas, trails are not always well preserved. Eventually, I arrived at my destination. Based on first impression, I doubt many people realize there is a Kofun here, a historical tomb hidden in plain sight. It looks just like a simple pile of large rocks, blending seamlessly into the forest floor. But upon closer inspection, something about it stood out. It wasn't just a random formation of stone. Stepping in closer, I could see what appeared to be a man-made formation, square stone carefully stacked to form a hollow-out cavity. The precision of the placement suggested intention, not mere coincidence. I took a moment to scan the surrounding area, hoping to find more structure, but nothing immediately caught my eye. Perhaps with excavation, additional remnants of this ancient site could be revealed. Looking inside the cavity, I was immediately drawn to the fascinating details. The straight parallel walls, built from large precisely processed stones. This seems to have been a very sophisticated construction. To learn more, I conducted a quick search and discovered that this site is part of the Hanagasa Kofun Group, collection of ancient burial mounds in Hiroshima Prefecture. These kofun date back to the late Kofun period, 6th to 7th century, and served as burial sites for influential figures of the time. Above, sizable flat stone formed the covering used to seal the space beneath. As I checked more closely, I noticed intriguing marking, subtle carving or decoration etched into the stone. Were these ancient inscriptions? Decorative engraving from centuries past? Or could they simply be natural pattern caused by erosion over time? It was difficult to say with certainty since I'm not an archaeologist. I won't speculate too much. The mystery makes it all the more captivating. It's incredible to think that this structure, seemingly hidden in the forest, holds centuries of history within its stones. Places like this remind us how much the past still surrounds us, waiting to be explored and understood. I continued my walk through the forest, ascending higher until I reached the summit of this small mountain. As I reached the peak, the view was just fantastic. The unique mountain formation in this part of Japan create a spectacular display of nature's artistry. It reminds me why I love exploring Japan, either ancient sites or capturing landscape with my drone. Every trip offers a new perspective, a chance to see the world with different eyes. If you like discovering Japan, be sure to follow along for more videos.